What's up, guys? Ryan with CPP Tech. How you guys doing today? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Ring doorbell wired and Chime. So you can actually buy this doorbell, the Ring doorbell, separately from the Chime, and they have the kits like this one, where you can purchase both at the same time. It's $79.99 for both the doorbell and the Chime. This is just the unboxing. I'm actually going to do another video on how to install it, and both of these videos are going to come out at the same time, so you can watch this and watch the install process together. All right, guys. So I've already taken the plastic off of there. This Ring was actually surprisingly small. This is the door chime, and it just plugs into the wall, AC. So when we go do the install, we'll go further in depth in that. So in the box, we got the instructions, and then you got a nice little Ring sticker going on in here as well. Put on your front door or whatnot. So that's pretty nice that's in there. Detour criminals. I'm not sure what that is. We'll look into that more, into the installation part. But there's a special tool in there, and then you got some wires, because this actually does wire into your existing doorbell wire. So if you do not have doorbell wires, because a lot of these new constructions aren't even putting in doorbells, this is not for you. Some screws, something else. That's it. And I believe some more screws, so you can, and it's got the wall anchors as well. We're not going to probably use those. But this Ring is actually really small for, compared to the other ones. So it looks like it's just shy, about 4 inches long, and about almost 1.5 inches wide. So that thing's pretty small. The thing with this thing is it does not have a SD card slot, so you are forced to pay for the Ring subscription, so it records off the cloud. I know if you have one Ring, you can pay the $3 a month or $30 for a whole year, and if you have multiple Rings, you can actually pay the I think it's $10 a month or $100 for a year. So in both cases, you either save $6 or $20. So, but this is just the unboxing. We'll show you what's all in the package. All right, so yeah, there you have it. So if you like this video, do yourself a favor, subscribe, like, and then go ahead and check out the installation of this product. Thank you for watching. Bye.